So I'm really hoping for no surprises in the crypto market today because Shib is showing us all the signs that it is in fact about to blow. And I want to show you guys some key fundamental changes that have taken place and something very important that is about to lead the crypto market into the next big boom, the next extension in the overall market cap, and the next extension that again should lead us into meme season. I'm Luxide. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do, and it'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So what we're seeing right now is a great move from Shib. We had that obviously breakout extension all the way up to 4033, and then we came back down. We tested 4028, and we are looking pretty good right now. We're actually forming this big bullish pennant right now, which shows that by Wednesday we could in fact have a breakout. But what you're seeing is Shib again try to hold this bottom support. This is actually where our 100-hour moving average is, and this is all while the market is kind of treading water. We again are seeing a lot of those US based cryptos, see a lot of the excitement in the space, a lot of capital matriculation. But at the same time, you're seeing actually resilience building from Shiba Inu. What we have actually seen is not 7,500 new wallets. We have actually seen an increase in almost 20,000 wallets over the course of the last 2 weeks. So you're actually seeing fundamental strength grow for Shiba Inu. You're seeing excitement really begin to build. And this is again while BTC has just been chopping, while Ethereum hasn't really made a big move yet. Everything's just kind of sideways. But what we are seeing is again the major all season shift, right? This is the BTC dominance chart. I know I've posted this before without some context on the channel. I apologize, guys. But what you're seeing is this huge drop off. And right now, this might be where BTC tries to plant its feet in the ground and maybe bounce back. But at the same time, we've seen what's happened in cycles prior. This has been the moment that everything just drops off and drops and drops and drops for months and months and months, leading us basically all the way until spring. And this is where you're going to see assets like Shiba Inu and many others start to gain a lot of that new capital that's entering the space. Now, what's interesting about this is we're still seeing heavy accumulation of Shiba Inu. For example, another day yesterday where we saw 1.36 trillion Shiba Inu accumulated by whales. Whales are buying in a huge way right now. All right. Why this is important is we're seeing speculators step in, we're seeing whales step in, and what they're anticipating is a move to the upside. They don't buy in anticipation of a move to the downside. And these are the things that can lead us towards pushes in price. Now, what I will say is there's been a little bit of change in terms of exchange supply. Actually, since November 27th or 26th, we actually saw about 3 trillion Shiba Inu flow back to exchanges. Is that a big deal? Is that a red flag? Not really, because at the same time, we actually saw SHIB climb. Well, it's even more if it was the 26, seen it climb 23% to this point in that same time. So, although we have seen some people taking profit, which is a normal thing, we're seeing price on the increase. We're still seeing accumulation by those large holders. So that's a very important sign. Now, what I will say is that institutional money is still showing us all the signs of them anticipating the market running. They want the market to run. We had a $353 million inflow yesterday in terms of spot Bitcoin ETFs. We had a $24 million day in terms of spot Ethereum ETFs. So that did come down, obviously, from that very high day, like we thought about or like we expected. But that's probably something that's going to increase. That's something that's probably going to, again, continue to push Ethereum price up. And this is, again, where SHIB can get those legs and extend even further. And what I will say is that right now, we're seeing some very important things from an analytics standpoint in terms of search volume online. So I think we've talked about this in terms of Shiba Inu directly. We're actually seeing the highest point of interest we have ever seen in meme coins. And what that means is that even if they're not flowing in yet, retail outside the space is paying attention in a big way. And the reason why I say that they're prepping for buys and they're paying attention is because we haven't seen the meme season. We haven't seen a huge step forward in the total market cap of meme coins as of late. But eventually, guys, these clicks turn into buys. If you continue to see alt season progress, if you continue to see US based cryptos get some big optics and big push, if you continue to see resilience in terms of BTC, don't be surprised for Shiba Inu to try to make this breakout move. It tried it again last night. We actually had a quick wick. I didn't even see this. quick come back all the way up to 4031 before coming back down and testing the bottom here again. But what I want to see is Shiba Inu continue to try to push to the upside. And again, if we have another big day, no surprises, you might start to see Shib extend, maybe make this move. We'll see what happens, right? But everything is playing out perfect right now. Shiba Inu is in a great spot entering alt season and is really in a very good point to see a big supply shock take place. Some people might disagree with me. That's okay. The price doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care about your thoughts. It does what it does. And we have seen Shib do this exact same thing before, and it has led us to some of its most significant moves. Now, again, I still have my long positions open. That has not changed. I'm definitely paying some fees on these. Man, this one is $114 because I've had it open since September 24th. This one's $50. I've had it open since November 17th. But again, still in a great spot on these, up 143% on my most recent one, up 798% on my big long one. And these I'm still anticipating this big boom to hit for Shiba Inu. I'm expecting this top to blow sometime very soon. And again, if you guys want to check out Margex, there's a referral link in the description below. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC, so feel free to check that out. But I hope you guys are ready. I hope you're dialed in. Hope you have your position set because there's going to be a point very shortly where the market starts to run and it leaves a lot of people behind. Me personally, I'm trying not to chase assets right now, and it's very difficult because the charts look so good. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Are you ready for this big boom to hit? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.